Welcome to Micro Videocast, Digital Transformation, Industry 4.0, and Emerging Technologies. Today with me is Bala, sir. He is a professional trainer in smart grid and smart meter technology. After retirement from BHEL, BHEL and has different capacities. He is a distinguished career in meter-related projects from concept to commissioning, heading meter engineering, testing, quality assurance, and project management. Worked as member of the board of studies and visiting professor in Tribble department at Kalasingam University, India. Welcome to the show, Balagaru. Can you please introduce yourself to the audience?
Yeah, I'm very happy to associate with you once again. Uh, During my service at BHEL, I was involved in execution of development of ASIC-based digital energy meters for high tension and low tension industry, and also including the domestic installation practices, particularly with regards to the metering applications. Served in several subcommittees for digital meters standardization at Bureau of Indian Standards, Rural Electricity Corporation, Central Electricity Authority, Central Board of Irrigation and Power, National Physical Laboratory, etc. So after retirement, I took up to serve as a freelance consultant in smart meters and smart grids. I have conducted international workshops at South Africa, Lesotho, Saudi Arabia. Coming to the national front, I have conducted smart meter training program at software companies like ProArc, IBM, Honeywell, Ericsson, etc. Apart from technical educational institutions, Central Power Research Institute, Bangalore, NPTI, Engineering Staff College of India, also I am associated with them. I am active in LinkedIn and contributing for technology-based solutions in the area of smart meters and smart grids. My intention is to cater to the basic training needs on high technology platform of upcoming engineers, working professionals as a social gesture. Knowledge sharing is my humble approach to promote the knowledge bank in young engineers today. I want to
Uh,
talk more about these technology challenges in smart meter applications. Yeah.
Thanks for quick introduction, Bala sir. It was pleasure to be on board and then share your live video cast and audio cast with us. So my next question is on the what are the challenges being faced by utilities to implement smart meters in bulk mass rollout plan? Can you share your insights on that?
Yeah, yeah. Very nice question. Challenges and the cutting edge technology applications of smart meter in utilities is a very big subject today and also a subject of concern in today's environment. So the Indian electricity sector has come of age, as you know. So there are a lot of challenges prevalent in the distribution segment, which is dominated by publicly owned distribution companies, DISCOMs. Although electricity is a subject in the concurrent list of the Constitution, the central government supports through various schemes. Now, with the DISCOMs are required to supply 24/7 reliable and quality power, there is a need for technology evolution in distribution companies. So to this end, the central government has planned the rollout over 260 million smart meters in India. Such an ambitious program has not been attempted anywhere in the world, and the target is going to be challenging, but it is certainly an achievable task. Smart metering offers a host of benefits. For distribution utilities, the reduction of AT&C losses, aggregated technical and commercial losses, is a key driver for smart metering philosophy. While the All India ATC losses came down to around 19% during 2019-20, they vary across different states, some of which have recorded losses of less than 40% in some cases. Smart metering also helps in increasing billing and collection efficiency. This is known as MCB, meter collection business. So thereby it reduces the gap between the average cost of supply and the average revenue realized. One of the trends observed is that if utilities have very high ATC losses, they may not derive the benefits accrued from smart meters. So smart meters create a public value even if they are not contributing to the financial value for a select few utilities. The country set a renewable energy target of 175 gigawatts by 2022 and 450 gigawatts by 2030. Thus, the advanced metering infrastructure based technology is very crucial for renewable energy integration also. Smart metering provides substantial gains to consumers as they can monitor their energy consumption, help them leverage the benefit of time of the day, time of the use tariff. So while these tariffs are currently applicable to only industrial consumers, they should be extended to even domestic consumers as well. So in the smart grid journey, India has implemented 11 smart grid pilot projects and launched the National Smart Grid Mission for undertaking various smart grid related activities. However, the scalability and cost of smart meters are the key challenges being faced by utilities. The OPEX or hybrid model can be adopted by utilities, wherein the implementation in the beginning and the states can pay back later with the savings accrued through smart metering. Uttar Pradesh has already installed around 1 million smart meters and has started realizing the benefits in the form of higher revenue realization from the consumers. About 10 million smart meters are at different stages of implementation in various states. Integration of smart meters into electricity grid involves implementation of variety of techniques and software depending on the features that the situation demands. In fact, deployment of smart meter needs proper selection and implementation of a communication network which satisfies the security standards of smart grid communication technology. In addition, several applications and advantages of smart meter in view of their future electricity market will be a major role in the mass rollout program. The main benefits are to meet energy needs along with enhancing energy production. The nation also needs to cut aggregate technical and commercial losses to below 12% by 2022 and below 10% by 2027. Smart meters are the best technical options. Smart meters minimize the human intervention in billing, collection, and also metering and help to reduce theft practices by identifying the loss pockets prevalent. Theft practices prevalent now could be drastically reduced due to communication technology adopted, which will communicate between the meter and the corporate. Smart meters deployed can also switch to prepaid mode. The new meters have the time of the day tariff feature, which allows the consumers to reschedule electricity usage to the off-peak hours and reduction in the bill amount very significantly. It enhances consumer satisfaction throughout a better complement management system, stability, reliability, and also transparency and maintaining the enhanced customer satisfaction.
Thanks, Bala sir, for giving us a detailed insights about the challenges and benefits involved in a smart meter implementation. So my next question is absolutely to get into the solutioning part. So, what kind of solutions you propose to overcome the challenges being faced by the utilities?
Yeah, very nice question actually. Over the years, smart meters have emerged as an effective device which transforms energy consumption and management by offering significant value to both consumers and utilities. However, it has also its own challenges. One of the most critical issues is the procurement of meters across the utilities, which differ for each segment of the metering ecosystem. One of the key objectives of the smart metering, smart grid pilot in India is to arrive at a common single specification for metering segment, resting on the advanced metering infrastructure, AMI. So the AMI specification is issued by CEA. Following are the major solution plans which I have, particularly with regards to the implementation. I think there are 8 solution plans which I have in my mind. I would like to discuss with you. Number 1, the varied specification. India has a unique meter requirement owing to its vast geographical spread. Each utility is a unique requirement. It has a unique requirement and manufacturer needs to have a meter variant to support it. So therefore, the design and sustaining such a spread of inventory has an impact on the manufacturing capability, manufacturing capacity. So unified specification remains a dream in the metering industry. The second is integration. Most of the AMI solution needs legacy system integration, which does not have any visibility on the interfaces supported and are often the decades old technology. Most of the unknowns are included in the scope of work and therefore risk in project completion criteria. The third is the evaluation criteria. All the public utilities have a final lowest bidder bid gate. After clearance of technical bid gate, eligible bidders are evaluated on a single scale cost. There is no impact of quality, maturity, capability of the solution in influencing the selection of the bidder. The fourth is, as you know very well, which is bothering us, is the cyber crime. Like any other IT driven system, AMI is also prone for malicious attacks. The requirement needs to be similar to financial systems. Yeah, because meters are cash registers to utility. So we have to ensure detection, prevention of any intrusion to the system, which could affect the reliability, efficiency of the system in delivering electricity to the last mile. The fifth is communication technology. As you know, communication technology has seen rapid growth and advancement in the past few decades. On the flip side, each and every technology has its specific application. Its applicability, adaptability in AMI may or may not work. So the utility or industry is looking forward to adoption of newer technologies like LoRaWAN, bringing the efficient, cost-effective, and stable communication technology for the solution. The sixth is IT infrastructure. One of the most important ingredients in the AMI solution is the IT infrastructure and off-the-shelf applications required, which have a different design life, warranty than the rest of the components. You know very well, you're an expert, I think, probably in the blockchain technology. I would like to reiterate here. Over the years, smart meters have emerged as an effective device which transforms energy consumption and management by offering significant value to both consumers and utilities. The arrival of the Internet of Things, IoT, affirms more potential and provides utilities extraordinary opportunity to make smart meters even very smarter. In this manner, totally revolutionize the energy management system. Blockchain requires fast and accurate meter data acquisition for seamless trading and settlement. Smart meters will play a major role in meter data dissemination required in implementing. The last is, the eighth one is outlook. The metering industry is undergoing massive technology transformation due to adoption of new technology and new innovation. With the advent of the Internet of Things and a surge of power consuming connected devices, grid edge technologies are paving the way towards a new energy system that will deliver major economic and societal benefits. The speed of adoption and the success in shaping The transformation will depend on a broad range of factors ranging from regulation, infrastructure, business model, and customer engagement. Most of the metering beyond 2020 in India will be AMI solutions as foundation, and metering will play a major important role in turnaround of ailing utilities duly supported by the regulatory and its enforcement framework.
Thanks, Bala sir, and excellent information you have shared, especially on the advanced metering infrastructure, the roadmap for beyond 2020. I think that's the need of the day and the futuristic view for the Indian utilities. Thanks, sir, for sharing your views. And my next question is on the emerging technologies. Because of the invent of cloud, advancement of cloud, IoT, blockchain, and so on and so forth. So, according to you, Bala sir, what emerging technologies to be considered in future?
Very nice. The technologies in smart meter market have undergone significant change in recent years, evolving from manual meter reading to remote and automatic metering technology. The rising wave of new technologies such as the cellular and RFID are creating significant potential for smart meter in applications and driving the demand for smart meter technologies. In smart meter market, the RF, the power line communication, such as the LoRa WPAN and cellular technology are used for measure electricity. Increasing need for efficient data monitoring systems, favorable government policies for smart meter rollout, and cost saving advantage in smart meters are creating new excellent opportunity for various electric meter technology. IT, customer relationship management, that is CRM, and customer services are the three business areas that will see the greatest impact in the technology scenario from the smart meter rollout. Okay. So the strategy will depend on helping customers realize the benefits. Analytics can support companies in offering variable pricing plans based on the consumptional pattern. The immediate opportunities of smart metering lie in the area of data accessibility, billing transparency, energy efficiency, performance, and compliance. So analytics and technology unfold. There are more exciting possibilities into the future of the smart metering philosophy introduction in India. IoT, as you rightly said, and big data analytics will pave the way for multiple devices to be connected. For the E&U, that is Energy and Utilities Company, it can improve grid intelligence, provide projection model that will combine the historical data and weather forecast to integrate the supply of renewable resources. Such innovations can take customer experience to a new level and to a new adapted technology environment.
So my next question is on the business outcomes and results, Balasa.
Yeah.
So according to you, what is envisaged business in the field of smart meters with advent of new advanced technology features?
Yeah, very nice. You know that new advanced technology is coming up fast today in all segments. So by using a smart meter efficiently, the business can track how much energy they are consuming and learn how to conserve the amount of energy they use. Because conservation is a major thing today. The less energy business use, the more it benefits the environment because you don't have to produce more energy. So smart meters improve your awareness of energy consumption. By changing behavioral habits and informing decisions to buy more energy efficient appliances, there is less pressure on the electricity grid and electricity generation. So it is estimated that a 24% decrease in carbon emission from homes and businesses by 2030 is expected to totally change the total smart meter market scenario because This is what we are looking for. One obvious question, which you have also asked actually, is will you save money? Yes. How? But only if you use the smart meter to monitor and reduce your energy usage. The cost of installing smart meter nationwide may increase energy prices, but you remove the cost of meter reading, you remove also the cost, at the other costs involved in taking the readings, etc., and access to a cheaper tariff also. A smart meter transmits data directly to a power supply over the network. It also shows readings, in many cases, the calculated cost of energy on a user display. Thanks to different technologies, including the big data analytics, IoT, and in particular the smart meter technology as such, saving energy are now on available practice to every player in the energy market and energy scenario. You know that smart meter is a convergent technology of electrical, IT, and communication technology. So the smart meters enable accurate calculation of cost and provide previously unavailable transparency into energy usage pattern. Households can track their consumption pattern on real time, identify waste points, and control spending, build an informed strategy on power consumption pattern. Utilities in turn can build flexible pricing model based on power load and usage data. So transition to smart meter helps energy suppliers balance the load on the system and provide better safety and better stability and better accuracy. That is very important. So the analytics that your smart meter provides allow you to make informed decisions about how best to save money by using less energy. The more accurate the information you have to work with, the larger the savings you will be able to make. So with a smart meter, you can see if there are any pattern to your energy usage pattern, particularly knowing when you are using the most energy on a daily basis will allow you to better target any energy saving methodology that you decide to employ. So the results are totally tangible.
Thanks, Bala sir, for sharing the outcome and the results. Now after that, right? I would like to hear from you. What are the recommendations? So, like to improve the operations, can you throw some insights on that also?
Yeah, very much, very good. In a bid to improve, the power utilities' financial health by increasing their revenues through efficient billing. So India plans to replace, as I told you in the beginning, the existing 260 million base traditional electricity meters with smart meters that use digital technology to enable a two-way flow of electricity and information. So traditional meters only record energy consumption for billing purposes, you know that. Smart meters are crucial for reducing electricity distribution companies' losses. Very, very important. So these stood at about 27,000 crore rupees as on today. That is around 3.76 billion US dollars. 4 times the allocation for the renewable ministry in 2020 in the financial year 2018-19. So they do this by not only improving billing and revenue collection, but also reducing the difference between the cost of supply and the revenue collected. So a smart automated metering system without manual intervention would reduce meter reading and data entry errors and costs. The other benefit of smart meter is the transparency. About 99% of the consumers in UP who have smart meters are now paying their bills on time, urban and rural. So this is because now they know exactly what their consumption is. They do not have to wait for the bill to come after 3 months. We are now encouraging everyone to download a mobile app through which they can see their daily electricity consumption pattern. Because of this transparency, disputes over bills have also gone down dramatically. No customer relation management system will come into picture here. So we have seen smart meters solving the problem in UP, where aggregate technical and commercial losses have gone down by 36% in certain feeders. In fact, when we come forward, five key features that your smart meters must include. Which are all the five key features? Utilities providers are increasingly demanding of smart meter manufacturers. Your devices must demonstrate. Which are all the five features? We will just record it. Number one, the smart meter security. The data breaches and hacking are of a grave concern to utilities, conscious that a single breach could endanger their customers and even bring down national grids. Second is resilience. Smart meters will be deployed in customers' homes for years. Manufacturers need to prove their devices will continue working long term and can receive updates and upgrades over time. Third is reliability, product reliability. Smart meters must send reliable data to the utility provider at all times because accuracy is a crucial balancing factor in the grid. Continuous smart meter connectivity is therefore an essential parameter. The fourth one is the rapid deployment. Utilities spend about 24 months on the bidding process to smart meters. It is not an easy job. Then expect delivery within little as 4 to 6 weeks. So you will therefore need to be able to turn projects around very fast. Fifth is the controlled TCO, that is, the total cost of ownership, TCO. Utilities and smart meter manufacturers undertaking transformational managed service projects need to ensure that performance conforms to SLA, that is service level agreement, and costs are at or below the business cases calculation.
Thanks, Bala sir, for coming and sharing very detailed insights about the technology challenges, especially in the smart meter applications and implementations. In a nutshell, you have given a detailed introduction about yourself, and then later you introduced us the challenges and benefits in the smart meter implementation for various utilities, and then you went into the solution. And excellent, you have given an emerging technologies like IoT, big data, blockchain, and so on and so forth. And finally, you have shared outcome results and recommendations. Thank you, sir, for joining us once again. I appreciate you coming onto our live audio cast podcast and then sharing your insights.
Thank you so much, Vijay. Thank you very much.
Yeah, to the audience, stay tuned. We'll come with more and more live podcasts with various industry experts and share use cases, implementation challenges. How can we apply, especially the emerging technologies, digital transformation, industry 4.0 can be applied for various business scenarios.